Hello guys, welcome to my Kryptopro review, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how all you need to know about Kryptopro and how you can make money with this Kryptopro. So as you can see right here, zero effort, app that pay us up to $21 per hour in free crypto while browsing the internet. No technical skill, no investment, no risk, no special skill needed. So all you need to do is just to browse the internet and make money. Kryptopro is a new crypto app that pays us $21 per hour for browsing the net. It's good mining passive online profit using this new software. So you can get this. The link will be down there in the description, so you can go there and have access to this Kryptopro. So you can get free crypto by browsing, no traffic, no selling required. Involve nothing complicated, easiest make money online opportunity. So it's very simple to make money online with this site. You can get everything you need. You can get the result today. This is the best 2022 crypto app. Right, as you can see, this is literally the easiest system ever. There's no temper video series. You don't need a computer science degree. You don't need any traffic, and there's no selling either. You simply grab a copy of Kryptopro and then it's one click. We activate the Kryptopro app and pocket up to $21 hour in free crypto passively while browsing the internet. So this site is all about browsing the internet and be making money for yourself. So the link will be down there in the description. So let's move to the demo.